Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learning jQuery detecting a link using HTML form. We are going to applying jQuery functionality to the HTML form, and we are going to making a link button by calling the a jQuery library by using the JavaScript, and how we are going to be handling this link, whether that HTML form we are able to detecting this link to interacting with the jQuery library or not. We'll see now. See here, I'm taking a little bit HTML code as usual with the HTML form in Sublime Text Editor. Just take off HTML and a tab. You will get see this and, jQuery tutorial web development course jQuery tutorial, and this is the title I have given for this page. For all the demonstration, we use this. And within the head section, what I am doing, I'm applying for calling this JavaScript function like a jQuery library with live. You also try to use this, and later time you try to download the library and make it as an availability of this functionality you have in local computer system. Now, what I'm doing here, I'll making a link for to work out the functionality. Within the body, I'm taking two paragraphs here. Body, I'm adding two paragraphs. One is click the below link which is prepared using the tag in HTML. href a link is prepared and click me. This is the link button we have prepared. Whereas hash indicates nothing we have placed there. If we want to make it as a link there, we can type the any URL or local URL page, web page, or redirecting some other page as our wish to make it as a link. Okay. For the demonstration, I have written a simple A with the href attribute link. That's it. Now I am going to write a function so called for calling this link. Now see here, jQuery we are going to write like this way. I'll show you to write anyhow here. Simply see here. Yes. Within the script so called we have a call here. Whereas I'm writing within the script tag, the script, close it, and end the tag, you have to specify the script. Within the script tag, to identifying the things, dollar symbol you have to use. The referencing of the tags from you are going to reading from HTML form, you have to use dollar symbol within the parenthesis. This which tag you are going to calling. A, which is the link tag I am calling. So A dot click click with the function function function. So call it is a function. I'm preparing for to write the things here. Now what I'm doing within the function, what I'm preparing here, like open and close braces, open and close braces here, and what I'm writing inside this function, simply ALERT alert with the message of you have clicked the link. You have clicked that, click the link, and something is missing here. The matter. I'll write the things. Thank you. That's it. Click the link. Thank you. The terminator. Right now here it is closing with the end braces of terminator, and one more terminator for, yes, can you observe this? Yeah, for the document reading we have to write like a dollar. One more tag we have missed out. Document dot ready, and the function so called the function. All right. This is we have to put in the last, and for this function also we have to create like a open and end brace. Like open brace here I have open and end brace here, turn it, close, save it. All right. Document C, the document dot ready get ready function should be there to handle like a jQuery functionalities. And a link I am calling, so I'm using dollar with the tag of HTML tag of a link. Here I am calling on click event when it is raised. The function what it is says that I let you have a click the link. Thank you. That's it. This is the functionality we have prepared. When I click this link, it will be shown this information. How pretty it is. Easy. Now refresh. Just click the click me. See here it is written click me. Click me. Now it will be called. Let me see. Here it is used capital C. It's almost you have to like focusing on every letter. It should be always lowercase letters will be taken care. And the click event if I used like a capital or small letters, it won't consider. Okay, change actually I have taken as in a capital, so it is not accepted. Make it as a save and reload the form. Click me. You have clicked the link that thank you. What is the information I have written there that will be populated here. Just click OK and click me. So how it is calling? We didn't use any DOM objects over here. All right. So the link simply I'm applied this tag, and if I click this link, href link, it will be called this function, and the message is populated. Have you have clicked the link and this thing, and it will be closed. Such way we can call the by whenever you are trying to applying of your like a jQuery functionality, you have to call this line first. jQuery library you need to integrate into the form HTML form where you want to integrate like a jQuery functionality and activity. And once it is called, all the facilities of libraries, all can be possible up to this level you can use here. Okay, so this is the line is needed for open and end brace. And within that function we have called to, when I click the function, it will be so called. See, if I am remove this is so called important to initiate and write the jQuery functionality. It's so essential. Okay, and within that we can multiple functions we can try to implement like this. Dollar with the tag name I have called here. On click the function is raising that it will be called with this information of alerting a text. That's all. That's all about this session. How to handling that situations of the like a click me event. See here. Okay. Wow. We'll see in the next lecture with the jQuery functionality. Thank you.